Hey guys, today I'm going to be trying out the soap brows method for thick and bushy brows. For this method, you'll need a clear soap. Over here I'm using the Pears Soap and you need to dampen the soap. So over here I'm going to use some rose water to dampen it up. Once your soap is damp, take a clean spoolie and run your spoolie through the soap. Once your spoolie is evenly coated with the soap, start brushing your brows in an upward direction. Make sure not to add too much water to your spoolie or don't dampen your soap way too much, otherwise everything will just slip and slide all over. You will need more of a paste-like texture in order for your brows to stay in put. As you get the texture right, continue to brush your brows in the shape that you desire. As you can see, with each brush stroke, my brows are still staying in place. Now that I've got my brows in the desired shape, I'm gonna start filling them in with my L'Oreal Brow Artist Brow Pomade. I'm filling my brows in with an angled brush and using baby hair-like strokes to fill in all the spaces. I must say that these soap brows are holding up really well even though I'm putting a gel-like pomade in them. They seem to stay put and not move all over the place. Also, for some reason, it has made it very easy to fill in my brows. I guess it's because the soap has dried down and is exactly showing me where I need to fill in my brows. Now that I've filled in one eye, I'm going to do the other. I must say that the soap brows technique has really made my eyebrows thick and bushy compared to my normal technique. And since I have less hair growth, it's really difficult for me to get thick and bushy brows, but the soap brows have definitely made it way easier for me. Hands down, I am a fan and I am going to incorporate this method into my daily routine because my brows just look absolutely fantastic. I am a fan. I just went from being this to this. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.